Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products, coming at you with another video on steering. For our 03 to 13 2500 and 03 to 12 3500 owners out there, if your Ram is got a ton of miles, or maybe you've dabbled in the suspension a little bit, got some oversized wheels and tires, well, you might have experienced bump steer, abnormal tire wear, the infamous death wobble. This kit should help alleviate all those problems. As you can see, the centerpiece of this kit is your drag link and tie rod, and well, it's pretty beefy. It's made of a solid 2-inch OD 7075 aluminum. You got heavy duty oversized rod ends, and they all come with grease zert fittings so you can stay up to date on the maintenance side of things with this kit. One thing that's really cool about this kit is it's adjustable to a wide range of people that have lifted trucks. It covers your stock ride height up to 6 inches of ride height. So whether your truck is leveled or maybe you got a 4 to 6 inch lift kit, it is adjustable from those sizes, and it's got these awesome locking jam nuts on the rod ends. Now, one thing that is really cool is you can upgrade this kit to fit your specific needs. So if you don't think the drag link and the tie rod is enough, you can upgrade all the way to a dual steering stabilizer. Now, when you go to purchase this kit, you can get just the drag link and just the tie rod. As you can see up here, we do have this awesome bracket that comes with it. So if you want to run your own steering stabilizers, you can. Or if you just want to go all out like we did for the install that we're going to do, you can upgrade to the drag link, tie rod, the bracket, and Fox 2.0 dual steering stabilizers to make sure that your truck has a nice responsive steering feel. If you want to get one of these and upgrade your truck, reach out to us at dieselpowerproducts.com.